Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Chevy Camaro SS. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. Everything here is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any paint chips or dents nowhere on the front. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the driver door. I'm not seeing a scratch on this door at all. Everything here is in excellent condition. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk and back bumper are in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches on them at all. Now let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. There are no dents, no scratches on it, and the wheel has no curb rash. Alright, let's move on to the passenger door. I do not see a scratch on this door at all. Everything here is spotless and in good condition. Moving on to the last fender. Everything here looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. The seat is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel looks perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Alright, the seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the shifter or none of the buttons for the radio or AC. Everything here is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel buttons look perfect. Also, the suede and stitching is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.